O thutha wa miaka 5 muingi wa bururi ni witikaga irebe-ini ria kura gucagura atongoria aria mekumatungata kuma gituro-ini kia murugamiriri wa wodi nginyagia kia mutongoria wa bururi. Na o ta uria ithurano iria ingi cia president ikoragwo ciambatiritio rugari wa giuteti kia mwaka uyu gitirari ngurani. Kuri mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro Raila Odinga riri rirari rita riake ria gatano na maundu mothe monekaga mamwerekeire makiria thutha wa kunyitwo mbaru ni President Uhuru Kenyatta.
Si mwingine isipokuwa Raila Amolo Odinga.
Ali President William Ruto riri riari rita riake ria mbere kuhuranira giturwa kia president na riihurite mihinga kiondorita hariwe na thiriti yake ahakuhi no thengia wa mihinga iyo akianirirwo ta muhotani ni muikariri wa kamiti ya ithurano mihaka IEBC Wafula Chebukati.
Ruto William Samoei, number of valid votes 7 million.
Chebukati akianirira hotani wa Ruto giikaro-ini kia Bomas gatagati ka Gudi na Mateke, munini wake Juliana Cherera na makamishina Justus Nyang'aya, Irene Masit na Francis Waderi mari mukawa-ini umwe guku Nairobi makiregana na maumirira ma githurano kiu.
Presidential election held in August 9, 2022 declared and announced by Mr. Wafula Chebukati on August 15, 2022 belonged to himself.
Jatuka nweno kamiti-ini ya IEBC niyo yambire muthingi wa cira wa kuregana na uhotani wa Ruto igoti-ini ritugiru kuria macira kenda mandikithirio na thutha wa kumathurima acirithania igoti riu matongoretio ni mucirithania munene Martha Koome magiteaniria macira meri na kunyitithania macira mau mangi mugwanja kuona ni mahanaine.
Piki ponki pakamelodies.
O ta mutugo wa macira ma president mawakiri mageitika guthimana hinya.
This particular election, there was deceit, there was manipulation, and all this was premeditated.
It was displayed before the court. It has that name of Jose Camargo. The original one you now have does not have that name, and all those things were meant to deceive. They were meant to mislead.
Gaturu gashira wa mwaka uyu kaririria wakiri Julie Soweto wa Azimio atemanirie maratathi makuonania uria ithurano ciairwo ni Jose Camargo no mawakiri IEBC magiteaniria maratathi macio.
The top left hand corner of the form, we were told by my colleague Mr. Gumbo there were no foreigners in this election. This is on the 9th of August, and at the top left-hand corner there is the name of one of the Venezuelans, Jose Camargo. This is the person who decided the president-elect of the country.
Kuringana na gatiba ya bururi, cira wa kuregana na maumirira ma githurano kia president wagirirwo ni guthikiririo na gutuithanio kwa ihinda ria thikũ 14. Ici ikoragwo ire thikũ cia wetereri na muthia wa ciacirithanio the mugwanja igoti rikaru makiumira na itua rimwe ria gukindira uhotani wa Ruto ta president wa gatano wa bururi.
We declare the election of the first respondent as president-elect to be varied under Article 143 of the Constitution.
Kuri Ruto uyu wari uhotani munene thutha wa kuruga mugiko wa muthia no arumiriri yake mageitika bara gukungwira na kuri tariki 13 mweri wa kenda Ruto akiria muhitwa ta muthamaki wa gatano wa bururi mari na munini wake Rigathi wa Gachagua.
William Samoei Ruto.
Itua ria Koome nirarakaga Raila na arumiriri yake akiuga hau niho hotani wake wanyuirire kagera kaimana na niehitite gutigirira mogaruruku ni matafanio kamiti-ini ya IEBC undu umwe na igoti-ini rikaru gitanaita na ndumo.
Supreme Court is now in politics, and she said that the ruling was inspired by God. I believe it was inspired by the devil.
Mugaru na ithurano iria ingi kuma riria bururi watuikire wa ciama nyingi githurano kia mwaka uyu nikio kirari na thayu muno ona thengia wa gukorwo cindani wa giuteti urari wa gikiro kia iguru makiria kuria nginyagia mabururi mamwe mararutite mikana ati kwaya gutumuka ngui icigo-ini itiganite cia bururi. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.